I like it a lot, guys. And welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the awesome videos I put up every week. So today I'm doing something really different. I'm actually going to be doing an unboxing and a try-on of a Nigerian makeup brand. Today is the 2nd day of July, so happy new month. June was my birthday month, and even though it started off on a high, you can watch my birthday vlog and my pre-birthday vlog. Let's just say so many things happen, like so many unexpected deaths and just a lot of up and down. So I'm just glad that we are in the 7th month, which is a month of rest, a month of new beginnings, and I just pray that the second half of 2020 is much better than the first half for all of us. So today I'm going to be playing with products from Lady Vee. It's a Nigerian makeup brand, and she just put up a video sometime last month talking about some of the struggles she's faced in her marriage and with her business, and I was just like, you know, let me support this woman and actually try out her products. There are so many Nigerian makeup brands. Some of the first ones were like House of Tara and Zaron, and then came Yanga Beauty and Teos Beauty, and now there's just like hundreds. I feel like there are hundreds of makeup brands, and shout out to them. Shout out to all the beauty creators and beauty brands doing the work. I heard of Lady Vee for the first time last year when Bella Pro did my makeup for my baby dedication. She used their powder palette, and you can click on the card above to watch that video and just see how she created that stunning beauty look. So I decided to spend 10,000 naira, and I'm just going to show you what I got. So I got this beauty blender that cost 1,500. I got the eyeliner, which cost 1,000 naira. I got their brow pencil, which cost 1,000 naira. I got their lipstick, which cost 800 naira, and I chose the shade Classy, which is like a deep plum. And the most exciting item I actually got is this Ijele palette. It cost 4,000 naira. What I liked about it was the packaging, because it has this holographic effect like Jackie's palette, and it's really colorful and vibrant. As you can see, I'm wearing yellow. My background is yellow. For my birthday, I got myself some colored backdrops and a new lens, which I'm using to film today. So definitely click on the card above to see what lens I'm using, the backdrops I'm using, how much they cost, and all that jazz. First, we're gonna do my brows. It has a brush, and I haven't used any of these products before. What's your go-to products for filling in your brows? Do you use brow pencil, or like a brow gel, or like a brow pomade? Let me know. When last did you shape your brows? And do you prefer tweezing or waxing or threading or using a razor? I prefer a razor blade. I've only threaded my brows once and I cried for my grad. As you know, Nigeria has been on lockdown. There is the coronavirus. I haven't actually been able to shape my brows since the end of March. I'm not a makeup artist, please. I'm just a makeup lover, beauty enthusiast. So don't like yap my skills or anything. Okay. I like the shade of brown. I'm just going to conceal with my MAC concealer. So they actually have foundation, but just because they didn't really have that many swatches, and I just didn't want to buy a foundation that was my wrong shade, so I decided not to get their foundation. But they have 3 different ranges and they cost like 2.5. This is my concealer. Guys, I haven't done my makeup on camera in a really long time. So I launched my yellow backdrop and lapel mic for this video. Let me know what you think of this setup. Do you prefer the lifestyle background, or you like this clean look? Do you guys still conceal your brows, or do you prefer the feathered look? And do you ever use got to be glued or soap to set your brows in place? How do we look? I'm using the Kudi Cosmetics All Matte Primer, and it's silicone based. Like, you know how people set their primer with some setting powder and stuff? I don't do that. I just use primer. I actually just got this primer during the whole lockdown period. I didn't want to pay for delivery fee. I just wanted to buy one near me. So I went to their store in Lekki. What makeup primer do you use and what brand makes your favorite? I've heard a lot about Becca, Milk, and Smashbox. Okay, now we are going to use the palette. I'm going to be using this eyeshadow primer from Makeup Revolution. Are you interested in a Makeup Revolution haul? After I had Tireni last year, I actually spent like £30 on their products, and then later on in the year I spent another £35, and I've recorded the videos, I just haven't edited it. Okay, so I'm sure you know I'm using like a combination of yellow and orange. Like, I'm actually going to use sunflowers for the shoots, and I know the pictures are going to be mad. So I actually also washed my makeup brushes, so that nobody will yap me and be like, why your brushes and dancing? So I'm gonna put this color in my crease. Maybe I should bring the camera closer. Maybe I should have actually, like, I see Lydia them do one eye off camera and then they'll come back and do it, because this is just experiment. This is not experiment, so this is just the orange. And then I'm gonna put the yellow, this yellow. I like how pigmented this yellow shade is. I can't wait to play around with some of the other matte shades. Do you have a favorite colorful eyeshadow palette? Let us know. Guys, what do you use as your eyeshadow primer? I know loads of people use that Ben Nye Clown White. So the palette has 19 matte shades and 9 shiny ones. I've actually played around with 2 of the shiny ones on Instagram. There was like a purplish color. It came out really nice and pink, so definitely check out that video. Okay, so it's foundation time. I used their eyeliner. It looked nice. So it comes with 3 small beauty blenders and 1 big one. And it's actually super soft. Like, this thing is soft. Like, I love how soft it is. So I'm just gonna wet it with this. It's like rose water, but it's orange blossom water from Dara Naturals. And I spoke about their rose water in my skincare routine video, so feel free to check out that video. Beauty blender. I'm gonna be using my Lancome. That's too many pumps. Yeah, it's actually so soft, guys. It is super soft. What is your preferred tool for foundation application? Beauty blender, brush, combination of both, or your hands? Let me know. It is super soft. By the way, my Lancome shade is number 11. Have you used this foundation before? Do you like it? What do you think of how it matches my skin tone? Like, I love it. Guys, what foundation do you use? What's your go-to foundation? I've actually only used this like twice before. I don't know why I felt to use it today. My favorite foundation, or my go-to foundation, is the MAC Nourishing Waterproof. I'm gonna put some on my jawline because I have quite a bit of acne scars. If you've had dark spots like me, what product did you use to fade them, and how long did it take before they disappeared? I actually hope I like this video and I post it, because it will pain me if it don't come out right. Guys, this beauty blender is like super soft. Like, the other beauty blender I use is Nigerian Beauty, and this is just as soft. Maybe even just a tad bit softer, but they're both nice. Really nice. The Nigerian Beauty one is a different shape. I like it. I like it a lot, guys. And I low-key wish I got the brown color or their lip gloss instead of this color, but we move. So I'm just gonna line my lips with the brow pencil. And this is the shade Classy. It's like a plummy color. It smells like chocolate. It actually smells really nice. It smells really nice. It's not as pigmented as I thought it would be, but I like the smell. And I like the shade. It's like Max Rebel actually. Do you like using vibrant colors on your lips, or are you a nude girl only? Do you prefer matte lip stains or lip glosses? So guys, what do you think? How do I look? Do I look cute? I know I look cute. I'm gonna put some blush. I'm trying one of the eyeshadow colors, this color, for blush. Let it not be too much to care. They actually do have a blush palette, by the way. Oh my gosh, guys, I feel cute. I feel good. I feel cute. Oh, powder. So I use MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in dark. And I really am not a highlight and contour girl. Like, I will use highlighter, but I don't really use concealer under my eyes and contour. Like, I don't do that all the time. Today I'm gonna shoot. I'm gonna put some sunflowers in my hair. Let me know what you think. Okay guys, so this is the finished look using products from Lady Vee Beauty Planet Cosmetics. It's a Nigerian owned brand. It's owned by a lady called Vera, and she has beautiful daughters. She posted a video sometime last month about her business, and I just felt like, let me support this Nigerian brand that makes good products, because I know loads of people have said positive things about their powder palette. So I spent 10,000 naira on their products. I didn't get the foundation because I wasn't sure of my shade match. They don't have as many swatches as I would have liked on their page, and I just didn't want to waste money on something that wouldn't work for me. So this lipstick cost 800 naira, the eyeliner cost 1,000 naira, the beauty blender cost 1,500, the brow pencil cost 1k, and the eyeshadow palette cost 4,000. So yeah, let me know if you've used Lady Vee Beauty before. Let me know what your favorite Nigerian makeup brand is. Let me know what you think of this look. And please hit the subscribe button and watch out for my other videos. Bye!